The world wouldn't be the same without Cat's D8 dozer. The Caterpillar D8 was first released in 1935, and it featured a gasoline engine, which translated to relatively low power compared to modern standards. But that didn't last long. Caterpillar quickly introduced the D88R with a diesel engine, which significantly improved power and efficiency. This led to modern models such as the D8R, the D8T, or the D8N. The Cat D8 series has been used in a wide range of applications, including earth-moving, construction, mining, forestry, and agriculture. It's known for its versatility and adaptability to various tasks. With a weight of 36 tons and a blade capacity of just about 9 cubic meters, the new version of the D8 keeps the legacy intact. It's fair to say this dozer is the ultimate classic. This is the story of P&H and its famous mining shovels. Founded in Milwaukee, Wisconsin in 1884 as Pauling and Harnischfeger, the P&H company began by crafting overhead cranes for factories and shipyards. But a switch was about to happen. With the boom in mining operations across the United States, P&H saw an opportunity to revolutionize the industry. And so they started manufacturing colossal mining shovels that could actually move mountains. Fast forward to today, and P&H Mining Shovels remains an enduring force in the world of heavy machinery. Their cutting-edge shovels, designed for maximum efficiency and precision, continue to shape the mining landscape across the globe. With famous models such as the 2800 or the 4100, P&H is working hard on one mission: shaping the future of mining. P&H, a name that translates to excellence since 1884. These old machines have been restored and they look better than ever. This Caterpillar D8H spent decades battling rust out there. That was until a talented group of people decided to restore it. The result is quite stunning, as you can see right here. French brand Poquelin used to build some of the most amazing equipment out there, including this heavy-duty model, the 1000. Saved from a certain death, this excavator is exhibited a few times a year in select shows in France. This Komatsu mini excavator suffered pain throughout its life, like this clip proves it. Thankfully, it's got a new life after a bunch of Chinese dudes spent hours and hours restoring it. The result is awesome. Stunning stuff right there. This Freightliner has seen hundreds of thousands of miles until it's got a complete makeover. This truck was known for its unique design, where the cab is positioned over the engine rather than behind it. Here's the story of the RH400. Back in 1997, German manufacturer Orenstein and Koppel decided to revolutionize the mining industry by releasing a massive hydraulic shovel under the reference RH400. With an operating weight of 980 tons, a bucket of 44 cubic meters, and a gross power of 4,500 horsepower, the RH400 became without a doubt the largest hydraulic excavator in the world. Shortly after its release, the RH400 got relabeled as a Terex product, before officially becoming a Caterpillar product in 2012 under the reference 6090FS. The cost of it? About 11 million bucks. The RH400 has since been discontinued, and it leaves the Liebherr 9800 or the Komatsu PC8000 as the largest excavators in this category. The RH400 will forever be remembered as the Beast. This is the story of French high-speed train, TGV. The French high-speed train, known as the TGV, Train à Grande Vitesse, is one of the most iconic and successful high-speed rail systems in the world. The TGV project was initiated in the late 1960s, and the first TGV line began operation in 1981. It was a significant technological achievement and marked the beginning of high-speed rail travel in Europe. And the success story never stopped ever since. TGV trains are known for their high speeds, often exceeding 300 kilometers per hour on dedicated high-speed lines. This speed allows passengers to travel quickly and efficiently, between major cities in France and neighboring countries. The TGV has seen numerous technological advancements over the years. For example, the newer TGV models like the TGV Duplex and TGV Euro Duplex feature double-decker cars, increasing passenger capacity.